Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick video. Today we will be preparing some iron 2 sulfate. This will be used in a future project to prepare some potassium ferrocyanide for making blueprints. To begin, we will prepare a solution of about 20 grams of copper 2 sulfate in 200 milliliters of water. Copper sulfate can be purchased as stump remover for preventing moss growth from hardware stores. Next we will need some very fine steel wool or another iron source. By placing the iron in the copper sulfate solution, a single displacement reaction occurs where iron replaces copper in solution, giving copper metal and iron 2 sulfate. As the reaction progresses, the blue color will diminish as iron 2 sulfate is colorless in solution. This provides an easy metric to determine where the endpoint is reached. Once the reaction is finished, the copper powder was filtered off and the solution was boiled down. This gave an off-white powder of iron 2 sulfate. As a side note, if you can't find copper sulfate, you can also directly react steel with sulfuric acid, which I showed how to produce in a previous video. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in a future project. Okay, bye.